Welcome, Flow Tribe. Okay, this one is for the men. So men, listen up. You say that you want a real woman. You say that you're ready for something meaningful and real. Then you need to understand the game that you're actually playing. And this is not about smooth lines, charm, or pretending to be someone that you're not to impress someone. A real woman, a woman with substance, with depth, with soul, she doesn't give a damn about perfection. She doesn't care about the car that you drive or what your house looks like or how many followers you have or how much money you have or how clever your texts are. She's looking for one thing only: certainty. Energy that doesn't flinch, presence that doesn't crumble, a man who knows who he is and doesn't blink. So her heart is like a bridge hanging over deep, wild waters. It's built to hold and it's built to trust, but only if the foundation is unshakable. If you hesitate, if you send mixed signals, if you show up confused, you don't just lose her attention, you lose her trust in herself. You trigger her nervous system into fight or flight, and when you become associated with anxiety instead of peace, it's game over. So understand this. Women feel your energy before they hear your words. They know when your frame is weak, and they know when you're unsure. So breadcrumbs will not feed a real woman. Mystery won't hold her, and uncertainty won't keep her. Presence will, clarity will, consistency will. Be the man who calls her, not the man who wonders if he should. Be the man who moves toward her, not the man that needs her permission to lead. Be the man whose energy says, I'm here, I'm certain, I'm grounded. Because when a woman feels truly safe with you, she'll open doors inside of herself that you didn't even know existed. She'll give you a depth of a connection, a level of a devotion, and magic you can't buy, fake, or hustle your way into. But you have to earn it through your presence, your certainty, your unshakable energy. So stop playing small, stop hesitating, step the fuck up, because in a real world full of boys pretending to be men, the one who shows up anchored, clear, and real, that's the man that she'll never forget. That's the man that she'll choose again and again and again. Be him. If you're ready to stop second guessing yourself and start showing up with real power, DM me Anchor and let's activate the man that you were born to be. Have a great day.